Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for Southern Peach Cobbler. Buttery, golden, packed with fresh peaches, and baked until the edges are crisp and caramelized. And I'll show you the simple technique that gives this cobbler its layered texture without having to fuss with any pie dough. For this recipe, you'll need fresh peaches, white sugar, dark brown sugar, whole milk, vanilla extract, orange juice, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, kosher salt, and baking powder. Begin by washing and slicing the peaches, then place them into a mixing bowl. I like to leave the skin on because it adds extra texture and color to the cobbler. Just make sure to remove the pits. Next, add the brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and orange juice to the peaches. Stir everything together until the peaches are fully coated, then set the bowl aside. As the peaches rest, the sugar starts pulling out their natural juices, which helps create that rich, syrupy filling while the cobbler bakes. Now add a stick of unsalted butter to a 9-inch cast iron skillet. Place the skillet into the oven and preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing the butter to fully melt as the skillet heats up. This step is important. That hot butter and cast iron help create those crispy golden edges around the cobbler. While the oven preheats, whisk together the flour, white sugar, kosher salt, and baking powder in a mixing bowl. Then pour in the milk and vanilla extract and whisk until everything is fully combined and smooth. You want the batter fully mixed, but don't overwork it. Now, carefully remove the hot skillet from the oven and pour the batter directly into the melted butter, and don't stir it. The separation between the butter and batter is what helps create the cobbler texture as it bakes. Place the skillet back into the oven and bake the batter for about 5 minutes. This gives the bottom layer a head start before adding the peaches. Now, remove the skillet from the oven and spoon the peaches and all of their juices evenly across the top. Again, don't stir it, just gently place the peaches where you want them and pour the juices over the top. As the cobbler bakes, the batter rises up around the peaches on its own. Bake the peach cobbler for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the center is set and the top is golden brown. You're looking for bubbling fruit around the edges and a center that feels firm but still slightly springy to the touch. Once baking is complete, remove the cobbler from the oven and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. That gives the filling a little time to thicken up so it doesn't run everywhere when you scoop it out. Serve it warm with a generous scoop of vanilla bean ice cream. That cold ice cream melting into the warm cobbler is hard to beat. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes like this Southern Peach Cobbler, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you don't miss future recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your Southern Peach Cobbler turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.